Hello guys, as you know, I'm Sarwar Khan and you're watching Tech Badshah. Today, we are going to have a look at searches and reports module in Bugzilla. So I'm starting with searches because the entire report module of Bugzilla depends upon search. So this is why first we will cover search and then we will go for reports module. So in search also we have quick search, simple search, advanced search, saved searches, then sharing saved searches with the group, and then finally we'll go and generate reports. So let's have a look in the application. I'll go back to the computer screen and show you how search works. I'm back to the computer screen and this is my Bugzilla login. So first let's see what is a quick search. To do a quick search, we have two options from this dashboard. Either you can type here anything and then click on quick search, or type anything here and click on search. Okay. So what happens is Bugzilla has got certain important keywords also. For example, say it's enter a bug. So for example, you have to report for example, if you want to look at the a certain set of bugs that you know. For example, I want to know, say, bug number 1, bug number 2, and bug number 5. So we'll have to do a comma separated and write the bug IDs. If you want only one bug, if you know the bug ID, just simply enter the bug ID. So cool feature is that it works for multiple. If you have multiple bug IDs that you are aware of, you can just enter the bug IDs and then click on quick search. Same thing, either you can type it here or you type it here. It does the same thing. I'm clicking on quick search. Okay, so this is the result we have got it. Just notice the bug ID 1, 2 and 5. This is what we had listed here and tried searching in, and as you can see, these are the bugs number. Okay, the other way of searching is that if you know the entire keyword or maybe a keyword that you know. So for example, say documents. Okay, so what I can write a word. Say wherever I know the keywords, I can just enter it here. Okay, and then click on search. Okay, so whatever bug has this word documents, the Bugzilla is listing. So this is simply the quick search feature in Bugzilla. Okay, so we have covered quick search. We'll go for simple search. So here you can see this other option says search. Okay, or let's go back to the dashboard. I'll show it to you there itself. So we have this search option, or here you can see this option also for search. Either you click here on the link on the header bar, or you can just click on this particular icon for search. Okay, so let's click on that. Okay, so we have simple search. On other side you would see advanced search. We'll come to that point, I mean this particular option in some time. Okay, so by default you will see these three options. One, by default you can see the open is selected. Okay, so the status can that you want to look for, open bugs or close bugs or all bugs. Okay, but in our bugs list or the statuses we had, for example, say something which is in process, or other statuses, maybe Bugzilla has got concept of different statuses. However, we'll have to define that status whether it is open or closed. So any statuses those are listed as open will be listed as open. Maybe say in progress. If you're considering in progress as open, the in process will be listed here. Okay, and closed. If something is selected that status to be marked as closed or that considered to be closed, in that case it will list into closed section. Okay, let's see all, and then use an option for products by list. So if you want to filter the search result with the help of the products, you can do that. I'm selecting all, or if you know the keywords, you can enter the keywords also. So for now what I'm doing, I'm still selecting all the statuses and all the products. Let's do a search. Okay, so these are the bugs that I have in Bugzilla. So this is the reason those are listed here. One more cool feature which I forgot to tell you is about the priority column. When we were searching for the quick search, it also gives you an option for searching the bugs basis the priority, like P1, P2. So if you consider it here, so highest, okay, that can be P1, high P2, normal P3, low P4, and lowest P5. So if you enter the priority number also, for example, say I would say P1, okay, and search, it does give the result. Okay, so this is the concept of priority. Sorry, I had to go back to the simple search, this simple search feature, because this is something which I thought of showing it to you, because this is very very important, and then I think this can be useful if you're doing any kind of bug search and analysis. So you can also see these are the statuses where it is listed. Okay, so let's go back. So we were so this is the simple search we did. Okay, so this is the simple search option. That's something we have explored. We'll see quick more things. That's something useful. I will show it to you. It also gives you an option for changing the columns. Okay, so click on change columns. By default, there are certain columns. I have also added a certain here, like priority was not there, I have added it. And then whatever something that you make that is going to be important for you, for example, say OS, I want to see the list as which OS this particular bug was reported, or say I want to know the reporter who has reported it. So those options can be selected. And then also very important, what date that particular bug was open. So that is something open. This option is important. You can also press control and then do a multiple selection here from the left side, and click on this arrow, and then it does gets add those selector option to the list. I'm clicking on change columns so that these new options say opened in OS. So date of report and the OS will be selected in the list. Okay, so you will see opened when was this particular bug reported, and OS, this particular platform. As of now, you can see Windows. So this is what is something important for search features. Now we'll go for advanced search. I'll show it to you. Let's go to advanced search. Okay. So in the advanced search area, it gives you all possible combination through which you will be able to filter your search. Okay, so basis the resolution, basis the status, basis the component, basis the product. Okay, these are the main category that you would see on the top. So for example, I'll show it to you. I'm not selecting anything product because I want to see for all. Okay, and then component wise, here also I'm not selecting anything, but say unassigned. Okay, this status I want to filter it out. And then, because you remember in the simple search it was showing open, resolved, and closed bugs, and then all. However, this subcategory of the bug, meaning substatuses. So the status, for example, which is open, then you should see unassigned, which is say in progress, confirmed, unconfirmed. All these statuses are as open status. Okay, however, here you will be able to filter it more better. Then you have detailed bug information. If you expand this option, it gives you like a comment section. So any bug, we have seen while filing the bug, there were comment section. Okay, so there were multiple comments, or also you will be able to do a multiple comments in the bug section. Okay, so basis the comments, if you know anything which kind of comment you're looking for, you can enter that. Obviously we'll be able to do this operators with the contains, or contains the string of the words, whatever that you want to choose of. Then URL is also a field wherein we have seen during the bug filing. If you want to know basis the URL, you enter the URL. And if you know the deadline, that also from which date to which date you want to see. Then bug number, you can also filter the results basis bug numbers, that is comma separated 1 2 3 4, whatever bug numbers that are there with you, you can enter it here. You have excluded from or only included in those options you can try. And then obviously a lot more other options which are the versions in the system available, a particular module that you can select it from here. Okay, then which priority, which hardware, which OS, search by people, then the bug assignee, you can enter contains name of the assignee, who has assigned it, any of the bug assignee reporter, or any of the bug assignee reporter CC. So those options you will be able to select and then search a particular bug. Same thing here, search by change history. So this option is like how often a particular bug is getting changed, the entire life cycle. Change to what status that you can select. Obviously here assignee CC result that you can want to filter. So version, whiteboard. So those options we can see it here by change history, which kind of statuses that you're looking for, and then value, what is changed to, and between what date to what date. Then coming to custom search. Okay, this is match all of the following separately. Okay, the separate search result says the area allows ands, ors, and other complex searches. Okay, you can attachment data, assignee, blogs, bugs. So you can try this. You can select the options whatever. For example, say I'm selecting the status, then is equal to contains. You can enter your search criteria here, equals to meaning the status, for example, open or unassigned. So whatever statuses that are there in the system that you can do a search basis this, and it talks about and on ors. Okay, so here you can have this plus button. You can have more searches. Okay, you can select whether you want to and or matches equal. So all these options are available, and then you'll be able to search. Okay, so this is what advanced searches in Bugzilla. So let me clear out this filter once. Okay, so then I should be able to show you these results, how it works. So say for example, say I want to see it for status in progress. Okay, and for Windows, and okay, that's what, and do a search. I'm clicking on search button. Okay, so this is the way the search works. Okay, and obviously you can click on change column on whatever new columns that you want to add, you should be able to add. Okay, and then very important option, remember search, and this is the way you will be able to save a particular search. So we did this search, and then if you enter here a name of the search and search it again, then it should going it is going to be added that particular search for you. Okay, and so when you search it, in that case it's going to be listing your searches here, like my bugs, all open bugs. So we have completed these options: quick search, simple search, and advanced search. And then save searches, I'll show you in some time. Then we have sharing and how to share a particular saved search with the other groups, and then generating the results. So next option is about how to search a particular bug and then save it. I'll show you first here what is existing there with me. I have all open bug statuses. So I searched something and saved as all bugs, all open bugs. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the list which I have. Okay, and then I want to use it in future, this particular search. So what I can do is, for example, say a new list. For example, this is what I searched it. Okay, and I have selected only in progress first. Okay, so what I can do is I can write it here in progress and save the particular search. Okay, it gives you an option like this. Okay, I'll go back to the screen. It just opened into a new window. Okay, so I'll refresh this page. I'll go to the dashboard. see this in progress. Okay, if I click on this in progress, I don't have to do all this filtering. I just simply click on in progress and it will list all the in progress bugs for me. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is the way you are going to save a particular search. Then sharing saved searches. To be able to see this, what you have to do is you have to go to your preferences section. Let's go to the preferences section. I'm clicking on this. Okay, so you see this option as saved searches. Okay, click on this saved searches option. I'm clicking on this. Okay, and you see this is something a common search which is there for everyone. Okay, my bugs, and then we have all open bugs and in progress bugs. Okay, and you see this option, forget also. You can obviously remove it, and then don't share. If you want to share with someone, say you want to share with admin or bind you cause bind to others, quick moderators, sudos can confirm, edit bugs. So whoever users, those are part of this particular group, will be able to see your searches. Meaning, if you share with, for example, say admin, so whoever is the admin will be able to see your searches. Okay. So what you do is add to footer if you select it. However, is reflecting for you, it will reflect to the users. Those are in part of the admin. Okay, so this is the way you will be sharing your searches with other users. Okay, and then generating reports. We'll go back to the home now, dashboard screen. So for the report section, what we'll do is we'll simply go ahead and generate it. Okay, to be able to generate the report, simply go to reports. Okay, in the report section, if you go, you will see a search that we have already seen. Okay, then tabular reports, graphical reports, and duplicates. Okay, so I'm directly going to tabular reports because we have already explored the search option. We are going for tabular reports. Okay, I'm clicking on tabular reports. Okay, the moment you click on this, you would notice the you want to plot the data, how you want to plot it, on what should be there in your horizontal axis and what should be there in your vertical axis. And then you have multiple tables. Basically, you want to break out grouping. Okay, so this you will see it in some time. And you have same search options, those were there here. That is the reason I wanted to take you through first search and then about the report section. Okay, so what we are going to do is, so first we'll select the horizontal axis. Say for example, I want to know about all the products, and in the vertical section I want to know all the statuses. Okay, say here you can also have summary here for filtering it. I don't want to filter it. Okay, I'm just simply clicking on generate report. I clicked on generate report. You see this kind of statuses. Okay, I selected the status here and products in the column areas. So it listing you the number of bugs here. The total you would see 5 bugs. Okay, and the count also. In progress statuses are 3. Unconfirmed, you will obviously see a different categorization basis the products, and this is the total column. Okay, if you click any of this number, for example, I want to see for all total, click on this number, say example 5. I'm clicking on this, and then it should list entire bug details on the screen right now. So I clicked on 5, the total of the bugs, and then you will see all these bugs are listed here. Good thing is that if you want to export this bug list to a Excel, so Bugzilla does support CSV format, so you can see it here. So if I click on the CSV format, all these bugs is going to be exported into CSV, and a copy is given to me. I'll show it. So I'm just opening for you. Okay, so this is the way you should be able to see it, all the details. Okay, it's exported the entire bugs. We had five. All these five bugs are exported to a Excel, meaning CSV. Okay, what you can do is here, if you want more details into your Excel columns, definitely the option is that you will go for change columns, and whatever columns that you want to add, you will be able to add it. Then you can search and export this particular file. Okay, so this is the way the basic report works into the tabular format. We'll go back to the report section again for other reports. Okay, and it says graphical reports. I'll go to graphical reports also. So okay, so vertical axis, what we'll do is again we'll go for status. Okay, and here let's see product, and what kind of chart you want to see. For example, say I want to generate for a pie chart. Okay, in pie chart, say, yeah, correct, it cannot support the vertical axis. So, okay, product wise we will do a pie chart. Okay, and then simply to generate the reports I am clicking on generate report. Okay, so this is the way you will be able to see your pie chart, and it also gives you another option here, edit this report. And then if you want to look for, say, a bar chart, and then you don't have to really go and do this exercise again, simply click on bar, and then it will convert your pie chart to a bar chart. So let's see how it works. Okay, product wise bar chart. If you want to edit this report, simply click on edit report, and then you'll be able to look at this other reports. Okay, fine, we have seen the reports module, how it works, and for reference you can see these are the options which were available. I've shown you search, tabular reports, graphical reports, and then we have duplicates. Duplicate I'm not going to cover because I don't have any duplicate bugs with me, but yeah, you can always explore it. It's nothing but gives you a count of the duplicate bugs. However, I have covered the other options. I'll show you once more a kind revision of the report modules that we have seen and how better you can use it for your Bugzilla reporting and for your bug management. So first thing I'll show you here, which I've made ready. So this is my tabular report. Okay, I've gone here, clicked on the tabular reports and selected status as the horizontal axis, product into the vertical axis. So here how I want to show you the option here, multiple tables. So here I have selected as status. So what it will do, it will group the bugs as per the statuses and then generate the reports. So what we'll do is just generate the report and see how it works. I'll show it to you. I have clicked on generate report. Okay, so we see the status wise reporting. Okay, unconfirmed, in progress, unassigned, and total. Okay, so this is the way it works, and I see at the end is also showing the combined statuses. So this is very useful feature, tabular reports. We'll also explore the graphical reports. So I'll go to the graphical reports, one of the section which I have selected. So same report, what I did is I selected as the bar chart. So in this report you will not find it here if I go back to the section, because here I have clicked on the graphical report option. Okay, and here I have plotted product into my vertical axis, horizontal axis as statuses, and I am selecting as the bar chart. So let's generate the report and see how it looks. I'm clicking on generate report. Okay, beautiful chart. Okay, so this is the way you will be generating the report. It also gives you a caption here, what is the color codes, Reds are CMS, green one is the document manager, blue one is the e-signature, and yellow one is the KYC. And then also gives you a bug count. You will not be able to see much differences here because the bug count is in the every status is reflecting as 111. You can obviously try this one when you have more bugs, then it will give you a more meaningful report. Okay. Then I have another categorization. The same report what I did is I have changed the multiple images to product, meaning I want to see the categorization product wise, and then it should generate bar chart. So let's quickly generate this also and look at into the multiple images and see how it works. I'm clicking on generate report and then see how it is going to be displayed. Takes a little while to load because it generates the images for all the categories, so it takes a little time to load. We'll wait for some time and then you'll see it's generated. Okay, still loading. We'll wait for a little more time. Yeah. Okay, great to see. So here also the system have generated CMS, document manager, the product white list, signature, KYC, and then combined list. Okay, so this is the bar chart that we have tried. Let's go for and look for the other option also, that we have pie chart here. Same thing I'm doing, I'm plotting vertical axis into the product option and statuses into the horizontal axis, and then grouping the product. Okay, I am now again generating this report, and then let's see how it works. So it's going to generate nothing but a pie chart for the same option which I've seen for bar chart. Let's wait for the images to get populated. My hardware is little less, so it's taking more time. If you have a good server with the higher capacity, then it should load faster. Okay, so it is generating the pie chart, and then document manager, e-signature, KYC, status. So this is the way it's going to generate, and the pie chart for you. Here one option that I did not show you is the line graph, so we'll cover that also. Okay, I'm selecting product into the vertical axis and status into the horizontal axis, and I'll be generating the reports for the line graph. So I'm clicking on generate report so that it plots the data. Okay, so this is the way it's going to generate your line graph. Let's look at the coverage that has been done in this particular session. We have covered quick search, simple search, advanced search, saved searches, sharing of saved searches with a particular group, generating reports. So I have covered all the searches module with advanced search and shown you all the reports, how it works. I would request everyone to please like and subscribe my channel, and if you find this suitable for your organization or your team, definitely I would be looking for your feedback. Please comment your valuable ideas if you want something to be covered and something that you want to see in Bugzilla, so I'll be able to make more videos on those. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.